Regions Bank versus Ally Bank, which is better? In this video, we'll compare Regions Bank and Ally Bank to help you determine which bank suits your financial needs best. Links to both banks are in the description, so be sure to check them out for more details. Let's dive into their features, target audiences, and key differences. Regions Bank is a traditional bank with a strong regional presence in the southeastern and midwestern United States. It offers a wide range of financial products, including checking and savings accounts, personal and business loans, home mortgages, and wealth management services. Regions Bank is especially appealing to those who prefer the option of in-branch banking. Their Life Green Savings Account is designed to encourage regular saving through automatic transfers and annual bonuses. Regions also provides robust tools for small businesses, including loans and merchant services. The bank's mobile app and online banking platform are intuitive, offering features like budgeting tools and financial insights. It's an excellent option for customers who value personalized service and community-oriented banking. Ally Bank, on the other hand, is a fully online bank with no physical branches. It excels in providing high-yield savings accounts, competitive CD rates, and interest-bearing checking accounts, making it ideal for those who prioritize maximizing their savings. Ally offers fee-free ATMs through the Allpoint network and reimburses out-of-network ATM fees up to a monthly limit. Its user-friendly mobile app provides a seamless experience for managing accounts, tracking goals, and even trading stocks. Ally is particularly appealing to tech-savvy individuals and those comfortable handling all their banking needs digitally. The absence of physical branches allows Ally to offer lower fees and higher interest rates compared to traditional banks like Regions. So, which is better? Choose Regions Bank if you value in-person banking, small business support, or a full-service banking experience with local roots. Opt for Ally Bank if you prefer an online-only bank with high savings rates and a tech-forward approach. The right choice depends on your banking habits and priorities. Check the links in the description for more details to help you decide.